Pwede. Ako, nag-grouper na. Layo pa? Color!
Okay, white.
Diwit? Hinahinayi lang ha, sa side siya na hook.
Sabihan mo.
Here, Ben, Ben. Moday, bugat kayo. Sa side. Boy! Dako na diwit. It's the other kind, like the dili hugaw tanaw, di ba?
Kana, worth the picture na. Picture.
Bito.
Bantay ha sa bakba ha. Kasi mapatan ka. Duha ka hook sa bottom mo nilo. Huwag yun.
JP. Oh, it's a fish.
Adlas-lasan na lang.
Mag-reel ko, mag-uwi ko,
The David King. Ba. Nice. Yan. Ako kayo.
Nice one. Stop! Niabot wala mo strike! Reverse! Okay. Wow, good mo strike.
Tara, say. Buko na timay, kanatin.
Yay! Pakamot.
Buko na, be. Sap. Ronto. Kanatin. Nana.
Ay!
Short.
Toyo kasaban. So it's the first long trip with our boat. We're in Cabilao. So far we got Rafi got decent DWIT and a really small sigisi. With the boat it's pretty good. Like it's comfortable. We got here from police time maybe 2 hours or an hour and 45 minutes. Able to sleep, lie down, easy to jig. We're 6 people now and we can easily jig with no problem. There's a lot of improvements still, but it's not bad. Okay. There's a casting deck. Lucky Rafi and unlucky. Thank you. That's our new captain Dennis, who we're still training with jigging. Unfortunately for us, the bite's still a bit off. I got one strike, didn't hook up. But still, pretty nice day with the boat and the design. We were able to swim, cook. It's pretty good. Other guys are gonna take it out from our sea trial and fishing tomorrow. Exciting stuff, you know. Hopefully, we'll end the day with a fish.